Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Checks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio in Davinci Resolve 19 for Instagram. Whether you're making a square post or a vertical reel, this method will get your video looking perfect. First, go to the Edit tab and make sure your video is in the timeline. Next, open the project settings. Click the gear icon in the bottom right corner to open the project settings window. Under Master Settings, find Timeline Resolution. Now change the resolution based on your Instagram format. Square Post should be set the resolution to 1080 by 1080. If you want a vertical reel or story, set the resolution to 1080 by 1920. If you want landscape IGTV, keep it at 1920 by 1080. After changing the resolution, adjust your clip. Go back to the Edit tab, select your video, and open the Inspector panel. Use the zoom and position controls to reframe your video so it fits the new aspect ratio properly. Finally, export your video. Click Deliver, choose H2264 for best Instagram compatibility, and set the resolution to match your new aspect ratio. Then, render your video and it's ready to upload. And that's it! You have successfully changed the aspect ratio in Davinci Resolve 19 for Instagram. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next one. Bye!